Go to your browser and search for Leonardo.ai. Hi! For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to use Leonardo AI for beginners. But first, if you're new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Meet Leonardo.ai, create stunning game assets with AI. Here, you have to sign up for exclusive early bird access. Sign up with your email account. You can craft worlds in minutes, not months. Artist tooling, we're building market-leading features that will give you greater control over your generations. Rapidly ideate. Create unique production-ready assets for pre-trained AI model or train your own. Creative Studio, we're building an entire generative content production platform. Visual assets are just the start. Fast, easy, and artist-friendly. Number 1. Use an existing model. Use a general or fine-tuned model to generate all sorts of production-ready art assets. You can see this some sample here, like the world, helmets, and even costumes. Number 2. You can train your own AI models. In just a few clicks, you can train your own AI models and generate thousands of variations and deviations from your training data. Iterate to your heart's content. Number 3. Discover unlimited potential. Create a universe with infinite possibilities in minutes. Rapidly iterate with ease while keeping a consistent look or style. Now, explore the possible. You can see these some works of others, their worlds and animation. And you can also select what you want to create. For example, items. Create models of various items from your existing work or use art from mood boards or references. Create variations directed by user prompts, such as futuristic, medieval, fantasy, and etc., all exhibiting a consistent finish. The process is iterative, enabling upscaling and refinement. Significant deviations can be made based on user choices. Under Environments, upload your own images from existing work or use art from mood boards or references. Using outpainting, combine multiple tiles together to create a landscape. The output is cycled through the tool, upscaling and refining to create a finished scene. Now here's to create helmets. The prompt "a medieval helmet" can generate many variations of medieval helmets on transparent backgrounds. Create variations directed by user prompts, such as colorful, holographic, tentacles, and etc., all exhibiting a consistent finish. The process is iterative, enabling upscaling and refinement. Significant deviations can be made based on user choices. Now, create models of building asset style from your existing work or use art from mood boards or references. You can create variations directed by user prompts, such as sci-fi, synthwave, cyberpunk, and etc., all exhibiting a consistent finish. The process is iterative, enabling upscaling and refinement. Significant deviations can be made based on user choices. The generation of concept art with consistent styling is again achievable through the use of custom models. Models that are used to generate game assets can often work just as well to generate concept pieces with the right prompting. Now, you can sign up with Leonardo.ai to get early access. You can sign up with your email address and then click on Count Me In. Thank you for joining Leonardo, the first AI-powered asset production suite and AI community. You now have successfully secured your spot in our early access program, and we are thrilled to have you on board. Soon, you will be able to explore the Leonardo.ai production suite, designed to supercharge your content creation process. Due to the recent surge in popularity, we have been receiving thousands of applicants per day. As a result, our infrastructure is constantly being adjusted to accommodate this significant influx of new users. Currently, we are opening access to new users in batches every few days. You will get an email notification from the team as soon as you are whitelisted and can start using the platform. Meanwhile, join our Discord server to enjoy special privileges, including sneak peeks, first dibs on new features, and exclusive access to AMAs with our development team. You won't be able to generate images on Discord, but it is where you can participate in regular contests, win tokens, and learn from other community members. Now you can click on Join Discord below. You have been invited to join. Click on Accept Invite. Accepting invite, opening Discord up, and let's customize your experience. What languages do you speak? After you choose, click on Next. Here on Discord, there are daily themes that you can join the competition, like urban exploration, cats, delicious desserts, and city streets. You can see this sample image here of a delicious dessert. You can also do that by using the right prompt. Now you can also search for a certain image. For example, you can search for cute girl. And here you can see on your right side the sample of the cute girl images. And you can also see the prompt they used. And there you can use Leonardo.ai. You just have to wait for their email that invites you to join Leonardo.ai so that you can generate images. But while waiting, you can go here on Discord. You can see the information such as the gates, getting started, rules, announcements, and frequently asked questions. You can also join the newcomers chat, daily themes, and image share. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you out. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have a question in this video, please don't hesitate to leave a note in the comment section. See you on the next video.